Hello friends, I welcome to my YouTube channel Understanding Classes. Today we are discussing the business services from class 11th in business studies. Today firstly we introduce first is the introduction are first this chapter are 10 marks. For this introduction are the chapter business service give you a brief information to the characteristics of business service, the difference between service and goods, classification on types of business services, the concept of e-banking, identification and classification of types of insurance policies, and the description of different types of warehouses. Let's be our next point is definition about the services. Luxuries to trade are also known as business service. Means luxuries to trade are also known as business services. Sector include commercial firms engaged in banking, commercial communication, transport, insurance, and warehousing. Business cannot even imagine in the absence of these services. All these services collecting constitute the service sectors. Next point is nature and features of characteristics of services. Nature of services are first is intangibility, inconsistency, inseparability, inventory storability, and involvement. These are the features of nature of services. Difference between the service and goods are first is nature. Service are an activity or process. Watching movie in a cinema hall. This is the services. A physical object, a video cassette of a movie. This is the goods. Type of service are heterogeneous and goods are homogeneous. Intangibility, doctor treatments are intangible, tangible medicines. And next is inconsistency, different customer having different demand. Mobiles, different customer getting standard demand fulfilled. Here is you can take the services, you can take the final product of mobiles. In separation, simultaneously production and consumption, eating an ice cream in a restaurant. Separation of production and consumption, purchase ice cream from a store. These are two types of inseparability. Types of service, first are business service, social service, and personal service. Business services are used by banking firms, banking, insurance, warehousing, transportation, and communication. And social services are these are provided voluntarily for the welfare of weaker section. And personal service means service provided to an individual by a tailor, beauty parlor, or saloon. Banking service are the bank is an institute that accepts deposit, withdrawal by checks, and makes loan and advance for the purpose of earning profit. Types of banks are first is commercial bank, cooperative bank, and specialized bank and central bank. A commercial bank are two types, private and public sectors. Function of commercial banks are first are acceptance of deposit, lending of fund, e-banking, remittance of fund, and check facility. These are the function of commercial bank. And remittance of fund means electric fund transfer. Uh, Next, automatic teller a machine, ATM, debit card, credit card, and online. These are the remittance of fund. E-banking. E-banking means transaction carried out with the help of computer system. That is the banking over the internet. Electronic fund transfer. EFT means electronic fund transfer. Under this system, a bank transfers wages and salaries directly from the company account to the account of the employees of the company. Automatic teller machine, it refers to an electronic terminal that allow people with a plastic card to perform a simple banking transaction like withdrawal of cash 24 into 7 without any help of human teller. Debit card, it is referred to a plastic card that allows the bank to take money from the customer account and transferred to the seller accounts. Credit card. It refers to a plastic card that allows the customer to buy now and pay back the loan amount to the bank in the future date. Online banking means under this system, when the company gives instruction on his computer, the bank computer transfer money to customer account biller account. These are the online banking. Insurance. It is a contract where in exchange of fixed consideration, one party promised to pay a fixed amount either at happening of an event or as pari of a certain period. Function of insurance. Function of insurance are: first is providing certainty, second is protection, third is risk sharing, and fourth is assist in capital formation. Next is fundamental principles of insurance. Fundamental principle of insurance: principle of utmost good faith, people of insurable interest, principle of indemnity, principle of proximate cause, and fifth is principle of mitigation of loss. Principle of utmost faith means refers that no material or important fact should be concealed by the both the parties of insurance contract. Principle of insurable interest: this there must be some pecuniary interest in the subject matter of the insurance contract. Fifth is next is principle of indemnity, refers that the insured can get only the compensation against the actual loss and he can make profit out of the insurance. Principle of proximate cause means it refers to the direct cause. It refers to the direct cause and not the remote cause. Principle of mitigation of loss states that state that it is the duty of the insured to take responsible slip to minimize the loss to the insured property. Next are the types of insurance. Type of insurance are uh, first is life insurance and general insurance. General insurance means fire, marine, and miscellaneous. Life insurance, it is a contract under which insurer is considered of premium undertake a pay a fixed sum of money on death of the insured or the expiry of a specific period of time, whichever is earlier. Fire insurance is a contract whereby the insurer undertakes the make goods any loss, damage caused by fire during a specific period. Marine insurance means a marine insurance is agreement where insurer undertakes to identify the insured loss against peril of the sea. Difference between life insurance and marine and fire means first is subject matter. Human life insurance में human life, फायर में एसेट्स होंगे, मरीन में होगा शिप, कार्गो और फ्लाइट एलिमेंट, both protection and investment, and fire protection only, and marine also protection. Insurable interest must be present at the time of effecting the policy, must be present both at the time of effecting the policy as well as the claim fall, must be present at the time when claim is fall, falls due usually exit a year. It does not exit a year, which means fire insurance, and period of voyage or mixed. Indemnity not based on principle of indemnity. And next is it is a contract of indemnity. It is a contract for indemnity. Surrender value has a surrender value, does not have any surrender value, and does not have a surrender value. Only life insurance have a surrender value. Next is type of life insurance policies under the insurance product. First is whole life assurance, second is endowment, third is combination of whole life and endowment, third is annuity policy, and last is children's education policy. These are types of life insurance policy. Communication services, these are the helpful to the business to establish link with outside world. The main service is postal and telecommunication. Modes of communication are postal service and telecom services. Postal service means there are two types, mail and courier service, and third is financial facilities. Fourth is allied postal facilities, and allied facilities are four types. First is written post, medium post, direct post, and international money transfer. Telecom services means cellular mobile services, radio paging services, fixed line services, cable services, VSAT services, DTH services. These are the telecom services. Next is transportation. It refers to a physical movement of goods from one place to another place. Is known as the transportation. Mode of transport are road, railway, airways, and shipping. Warehousing means it refers to that activity under which goods are kept safely and systematically in a particular place. Warehouse it refers to the space especially built building where the raw material and finished product are kept safely till they are out. Just need them. Function of warehousing. Function of warehousing means consideration breaking the bulk, stock peeling, price stabilizing, and financing. Types of warehouse means there are first is private, public, bonded, government, and cooperative. These are the type of warehouses. Thank you for listening. Thank you for listening. Please subscribe our channel for more updates. Thank you for listening. Please subscribe.